So I hope you're getting an idea of like all the important things you can add to your project library besides just like a screenplay. So now I just want to I don't want to go through everything. I kind of went over what I feel are some of the most important ones. Important descriptions, of course, we'll go over these other ones at the top in other clips. But just to go over some of the other ones, they all kind of end up looking very similar to what I showed you. This kind of setup right here, just the basically important information on top and then just more information. And they kind of follow the same minimize and maximize and then just different text boxes and occasionally with this pick list so you can choose if it's applicable where this fits. What scene or what character or what prop or whatever that is already in the screenplay that needs to be applied to this particular description, if that makes any sense. But so just going through the other ones that you can add, I kind of already went through them already, but remember there's just a ton here, and as you're planning to construct your production, of course you're going to get more and more detailed right here, and just remember that all of this stuff that you can add, and there's even like a miscellaneous category if there's something real specific that just doesn't happen to fit in there. So that's a good thing to keep track of all these things in Celtx because it's just where you can organize your entire production right here, you know. So just as an example, why don't we look at set and see what that one looks like. Add a name. And then you can see how it's just kind of the same similar setup, description, and media, and then scenes with a pick list and comments. So just remember that there's, besides the things I showed you, there's just a whole bunch of other stuff that you can add just to get really, really organized on your production. So keep that in mind.